We are back at it again with the first watch. It's just like my favorite thing to eat at this point. Whew. That French toast, it does it to me. Why not reward yourself after a workout? Because your girl needs the replenishment. Hey girlfriends, good morning. We're back in the car like we always seem to be. I just left First Watch with to go. I always get the same thing, the trifecta with eggs scrambled hard and French toast, and the chicken patty is one thing that do be blowing me about them though is that there's different portion sizes at every single one that I go to. So the one in Miami, like, it was normal portion sizes, but then the one in Raleigh, Durham, they give you double the food. Like, you get 2 chicken patties, you get like 4 eggs, it's double the and then their trifecta comes with toast no matter what, and it comes with potatoes no matter what. And I was like, did I order the wrong thing? Like, did I order? But like, they give you so much food at that one, and this one's like regular, nothing special. So today, I guess it's Sunday, so there might be like some Sunday Funday type deals going on today. We will see. Or I might go see some friends. Go ahead, boo. I might go see some friends. I don't know. There's really no plans. It's Sunday. Just get the GPS going, because y'all know me. Sometimes she be acting crazy.
We're all set. Let's
better
go.
Be, sir.
Turn left and then turn right.
All right. Check in with you guys later. So I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my curls from my pineapple at night. So I use a curl refresher and a leave-in conditioner, and then like an oil. These are all from Alakay Naturals. So I just spray the perimeter while it's still in the pineapple. Then you're gonna get some oil going while it's still in the pineapple, and then you take it out of the pineapple, shake it, find my part, and then we're gonna start just like. But these ones back here are now more likely to do what you need them to do because they're damp. So once I get my placement good, then we're gonna work on making this top look like something. So this is the Cream of Nature Extra Firm Hold. This is the best like edge control that I have discovered in a long time. Honestly, I think it's even better than my Eco Styling, which is like my go-to. And then, you know, we do the Widow's Peak over here. And we're gonna do this is the finished look. I picked it out a little bit to give it like a heart shape.
If you do the performance of whichever one has the most votes.
So which one is this guy? Put in work, sweat it out, or party hard?
It looks like it could be party it out or party hard.
Do they have Black is King?
That's the real question. Yeah, he's doing party hard.
He on FaceTime? Oh, he on party hard?
You're voting for him? Oh.
I don't know, yeah, I didn't see the other one. That would be wrong not to see all the candidates.
So we're gonna wait out here
10 minutes. Hell no. We're gonna come back.
I wonder how long it takes to build this. Hey Curlfriends, we are currently editing today's, well, it's done editing. Ugh, I'm tired. It is 1:56 in the morning. I'm editing, why do I keep saying that? I am uploading tomorrow's VLOGMAS video, and I am getting ready. Ooh. I am getting ready to start uploading and importing the footage from yesterday and today because I did miss another VLOGMAS day. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this description box and get me a thumbnail. And that's that on that, period. Good night, you guys. Happy holidays, and maybe we'll see each other tomorrow. Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hey, mama, baby.
You better answer somebody.
Hey,
you
mama,
better answer the phone for me. Kaya's stuff not answering my phone call.
Hey. How was your workout?
It was good.
Okay.
Yeah,
I see
you
you.
look pretty.
Okay, I see you.
Yeah, you see me get skinny.
I see you.
I told you. I told you I was gonna get it back. I told you I was gonna get it back.
I like that.
Hey, Curlfriends. So, we're here. We're at my mom's, my parents. I thought it would be a cool idea if I give you guys a house tour because this woman decorates like nobody's business. So there is, I don't even know how many trees in here. We're going to count together and we're just going to go around and we're going to do like a house tour. And also the tree that you guys saw me take down in my place a couple days ago, we're about to put it up here because like I said, she decorates like nobody's business. So, I mean, she's going to find a place for it. But before we do that, y'all remember that jumpsuit, that tracksuit I wore not even a couple days ago, yesterday? Well, I got her one too, so we're about to give it to her. Like I said, nobody's business. Tell me if you like it. I have one as well, so now we got matching outfits.
I think I like it already. Oh, Aisha. I like that.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Is that gray or is it black? You know what?
It's like both.
I like it.
Now we have matching sweatsuits. So we can wear those when I get back. We can wear them together.
I might wear these before you get back now.
I'm only going to be gone for 3 days, so you can wait till we get back.
They smell good. They smell. I like this. I like that. Oh, God. What kind of shoes I'm going to wear?
You got some white tennis shoes.
Okay.
I wore it with white tennis shoes.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, you are so amazing. Oh. Thank you, Aisha.
You're welcome, Mom. We're not really Christmas gift wrap people here, so this is how we give our gifts.
Exactly. No wrapping and all that kind of stuff. Don't come here expecting no wrapping.
Do you have anything to say about this room right here, since we're going to do a house tour, since we're already in this room?
It's your dad's room.
Okay.
And that's all I got to say. It's his room.
It's his office, but you decorated it.
Okay. He's an Alabama fan.
So this is his tree. This is the first of many trees y'all are going to see in the house.
That's his Alabama. Show him his Alabama.
His Alabama what?
His bulbs.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he has Alabama bulbs. I never noticed that. It's a peppermint tree. That's cute. So now we're about to do a time lapse because I'm about to put up this other tree. Like I said, oh, this is hers. I found this. I don't know why she has this. We don't even live nowhere where this is necessary. But I'm going to do a time lapse and put up the tree. She's over there eating Chipotle. Yeah, so let me prop y'all up and we're going to get straight to it.